So starting off with peanut that is already roasted, we're just going to rinse the salt off, grate our ginger, and we're going to add the ginger to our sugar and water mixture. All the measurement will be in my description box. We're just going to add that to our heated pot. Add 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoon vanilla, and just combine that. Then we're going to add our peanuts. After adding the peanut, you're going to stir this constantly for at least 10 minutes until the sugar is getting glammy and is fully caramelized and have coated all your peanut. You're going to put this on a parchment paper, and in about a minute your peanut drops will be ready. I'm going to list everything in the description box so that you guys can go over and check it out. But this is pretty simple and it's pretty easy because you're using peanut that is already roasted, and in a minute it's going to be all dried and ready. There you have your peanut cake or peanut drops, whatever you call it in your neck of the hood. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to be kind and show some love to